Joy, you gonna come say to the camera, look. Say hey.
Bush baby. Look, Joy.
Come on.
Look at yourself. Look in the camera.
Say hey, y'all. Welcome back.
Welcome back.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. And y'all, it feels like I haven't been on camera in a long time, and actually it's been like 3 weeks, but I'm back. And if you watched, well, of course you're watching this video, but at the beginning y'all see we have ads. So we are finally monetized, y'all. It took us 8 months and I am excited. So today, if Jordan cooperates, we're gonna do a mommy and me try on of our lip gloss collection featuring J-Dior. But right now I want y'all to go ahead and check out my lashes. They are by FLIRTY.MINKS, and I'll put all the information in the description bar. They have an Instagram page as well. Hey, pretty, say hey. You gonna tell them hey? Look. Hey. So yeah, so I love these lashes. They're light, they're full, and they are just amazing. So y'all check my girl out. I will leave all her information in the description. So go ahead, we're gonna start with the first lip gloss. And this is called Dior Rose. Let's see if y'all can see it. There you go. And it is a clear gloss with rose gold glitter. And these are mine, y'all, so it doesn't have a label on it, but I'll go ahead and I'll get one with the label on it. Joy, you wanna put the lip gloss on? Let's show them. Come here. Come on, put the lip gloss on. Turn around. Say look. This peppermint flavor. Ooh. Show them your lip gloss. Say. Oh, she's gone. Okay. But it smells so good. And again, it's clear, but it has rose gold glitter in it. Alright, y'all, the next lip gloss we have is Classy K. It's a light pink. And this one is it strawberry flavor? Strawberry flavor. Wanna put lip gloss on? Come here, so they can see you put the lip gloss on. Yeah, sheer just has a little tint, but show me your lip gloss. Say, oh, okay. It smells so good. Wow. Thank you, Mochi. She put something on my face for her. Oh. Look at that. I'm getting a mommy makeover. And that is Classy K. Showing your lip gloss. Showing you doing makeup. Put some more makeup on mommy's face. Ooh, you look so pretty, girl. Showing your lips. Ooh, go Jordan, girl. Got your lip gloss on. Got your lip gloss on. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, girl, you're so pretty. Okay, the next one we have is BREE So Hollywood. And it is a red tinted lip gloss. Come here, Jordan.
No. No.
And this one is strawberry tinted as well. You wanna show them? Come here. Show 'em your lip gloss. Show 'em. Ooh, girl. Yes. Again, the red one is BREE So Hollywood. The next one we have is I'm the Best. And it's BESS. And it's orange and it has gold glitter in it. And this is cracker graham. No, oh God, I said it wrong. Graham cracker flavor. Come here.
What's your name?
Show me your lip gloss. Man, that smells so good. Oh. Look, show them some. No? Okay. Say on to the next. It's scary. Okay, it's scary. Okay. What, you a dinosaur?
A dinosaur?
You a dinosaur? Scared. No? Okay. Y'all, and this is Just Fabulous. And y'all seen this one in my iPhone case collection.
Hey,
Hey, pretty. Come on. Put your lip gloss on. Oh, uh-oh. Mommy missed it. Show me your lip gloss. Show me. Ooh, it's pretty. Oh, I'm scared. And this one is a hot pink.
Hunky.
Hot pink.
Hunky.
Yeah, this is like one of my favorites. Oh, I'm scared. And then we have the last one I'm gonna try on, but we have a. I'm scared. This one is TWILA Sparkle. This is real pretty. It's the glitter. Joe, we're supposed to be doing a video. Look. Say TWILA Sparkles. Say Sparkles. Say Sparkles. Say DEE-LICIOUS. I can't open it. Okay. And this one is DEE-LICIOUS. And then there's a bronze color. And y'all, our lip glosses are available in squeeze and wine. And this is what our packaging looks like. Jordan. And this is the wand. Yeah. I don't even know how this video will turn out because Jordan's cutting up in here. But I just wanted to let y'all know that we came out with a lip gloss line. It's already out. And right now we're having a sale. Buy one, get one half off the entire site. And what I'm also gonna do is give away 3 lip glosses. And all you have to do is be subscribed to our YouTube channel. follow J-Dior Collection on Instagram and like our Facebook page, J-Dior Collection, and you're entered. And I will announce the winner on Monday, the 24th. I will announce the winner on the 24th. So make sure you subscribe. Say subscribe. Tell them.
Why, Nani?
And say like our pages.
It's a phone.
Tell them, say you got like our page. Okay. Like our own Facebook page, J-Dior, and follow our Instagram, J-Dior Collection. Y'all, that is it. And I will see y'all in the next video. Peace out.